Hi, I'm John Rose, the developer of FlexMonkey Reloaded. In this video, we're going to do something kind of fun, and that's modify the generated code, the generated Flex unit code, to parameterize different runs with the same test classes. So hopefully you've watched the continuous integration video already and have a good sense of how you would get this code, because we're going to jump right in. So my friend that wants to do this asked me, hey, I want to be able to have the same test classes and create and run them with different data and different types of things like that. So we generated code, and then we copied our example test class and test case class into two different classes. We have one which uses setup, validate, and teardown, and we have two which looks pretty much exactly the same. And then we've got custom runner metadata on each of these, which is the custom runner I had up first, and we'll look at in more detail here in a minute. But you see that the setup test, validation test, and teardown test are used the same in both these classes. So we come back here to our custom runner. In the run method, we hook in and we check to see what class is running. And then if it's the example test case 1, then we set a flag on our data run data to use the 1 data. And if it's 2, 2. Obviously, you could get a lot more elaborate here. You could do this through metadata. There's all kinds of ways that you could hook in once you're in the runner and mechanisms to make this a little nicer. But for a simple demo, I think this kind of shows you the point. So then down in our test guy, in his setup, he grabs the current data instance. And of course, that data instance is going to give him the right data set based on whatever flag has been set. He doesn't obviously care, he just says give me the data. And then things like data.searchString down in the method, he then knows what to use. So pretty quick and dirty way to parameterize tests and run different ways. Just for fun, let's run, and we'll see the same things run twice, and should get different values on our search guys there. So let's go ahead and do that. So we should search once, clear the results, and then search again and give us different results, different search parameter. So let's see what happens. So we're searching for world, cleared out, and now we're searching for hello. So it's working. Quick and dirty example. Certainly you could get a lot more elaborate and would probably want to if you were building up a large set of these, but it does give you some idea of how you can parameterize the generated Flex unit code from FlexMonkey. You can find this sample at my blog, gorillajohn.com. Thank you.